Happy National Ceiling Fan Day, everybody. So today is September 18th, 2023, so it's National Ceiling Fan Day. And this is the day that we celebrate of all our fans, see how great they are, and see they're running good. So tonight I'm gonna do a ceiling fan video. So right there in the hangout living room is the 52-inch Hampton Bay Blair ceiling fan. This is the ceiling fan it's been installed like before we moved in this house. So yeah, there's the fan. Then in my room there's the Harbor Breeze Sage Cove 52-inch. There's the remote. There's like the remote on this side right there. And so yeah, there's the fan. Sorry. There's a ceiling fan in my brother's room, but I'm not gonna go in there. He's just busy and studying, so I'm not gonna go in there and bother him. So yeah, there's a fan in there. In my stepbrother's room, we got I don't know the model of these fans, because you'll need to let me know what model could this fan be. So yeah, there's a fan. Yep, there's a fan. So downstairs in the living room is the 60-inch Hunter Bergallion ceiling fan. We installed this like 4 years ago, like the year after we moved in this house. Because when we moved in this house, it had like a dome light, and somehow it gets hot in the living room all the time. So we had to take it down. We had to get this fan. So yeah, there's a fan. But in the game room, we got the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Notice. I think that's what it is. It's installed in my game room because we've had this fan installed for 4 years. Because when we moved in this house, it had like a dome light, and it was like getting hot in here all the time. So yeah, we had to install and get a fan in here. It still runs great. But the thing is, we don't have a light pole chain anymore. We just ask Alexa to turn on the lights. Hey Alexa, turn on game room lights. Alexa, turn off game room lights. Alexa, turn off game room lights. There you go. Then in the dining room, I got a ceiling fan in there, but I don't know the model still. Like. Yo, there's the fan. Then, there in the porch, we got these two ceiling fans that is installed, but it's always been there since we moved in this house. They're just getting old and sagging. So I don't know if we're gonna replace these, because we're not planning on replacing them. We're just gonna keep them like this, the way it is. So yeah, we just have to keep them like this. Then in my mom's room, there's like a ceiling fan, but I don't know the model of this. Plus, I don't know, but look, there's the fan in there. So, yep. That's all for this video, but happy National Ceiling Fan Day, guys. I hope you stay tuned next time. There's a lot more that came from. Take care, you guys.